Send marbles for a wild ride with the Marble Rush Corkscrew Rush Set from VTech. This fast-paced marble set features thrilling stunts and challenges and an electronic corkscrew tumbler that plays a cool light show with energetic sounds. Little ones can watch the marbles go for a spin in the interactive and twisting course as they propel into action through stunts and cool tracks. Drop the marbles from anywhere on the dish and watch them navigate their way to the bottom. Easy-to-follow guides encourage the exploration of STEM skills. Kids can construct 3 different builds from beginner to advanced, or create their own as they expand their understanding of physics concepts like gravity, force, and friction in exciting and interactive ways. Create wild and crazy courses, or create an extreme playset by combining with other Marble Rush sets for even more fast-paced fun. Crank up the fun with the Marble Rush Corkscrew Rush Set from VTech.